Okay, good day to you all my viewers. This video is the continuations of the review of the WAEC 2023 mathematics paper. Okay, in the previous video I stopped at question number 20 of the objective test. In this video I'm going to start from question number 21. Right, I'm going to continue from question number 21. Share this video with every student around you. Like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to those people that are in need of it. Also, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload the subsequent video like this, you will be among the first set of people to have it. Now, let's have question number 21. In question number 21, we are given a diagram as you can see it on the board. And if you look at it very well, this line is parallel to this line. This line is parallel to this line. Okay? And this angle is given to the angle 40 degrees. We have to find the value of M, right? And since this line is parallel to this line, you can extend this line. You can extend it, okay? You can as well extend this, okay? And you can as well extend this to be a transversal line across the two parallel lines, all right? And with that, we are given this to be right angle, okay? If this is right angle, it does mean that the remaining angle, because this and this is giving you the sum of angle on a straight line, which is 180. So if the whole sum of angle on a straight line is 180 and here is 90, it does mean that here too will be what? 90. And also, this angle is an alternate angle to this angle. So therefore, this angle is 40 degrees. Okay? And don't forget that the sum of angle in the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So if the sum of add 40 to 19 and subtract it from 180, we give you this angle. Can we do that? That will be 180 minus 90 plus 40. That will be 130. Okay? Minus 130. That will give you 50. So here is angle 50 degree. So if this angle is angle 50 degree and this angle with this are on a straight line, sum it up and equate it to 180. So that is 180 minus 50, okay, will be equal to M, all right? And that is 130. That's 130, okay? Let's look at this option under the question. That's question number 21. Option B is the correct option. So let's go to question number 22. Yeah, question number 22 is stated as a line L passing through the point 6, -13 is parallel to the line which passes through the point 7, 4 and -3, 9. We have to find the equations of the line L. Now, to find the equations of the line, it's the formula for finding the equation of a line is given as, or it is stated as y minus y1 equals to m into open bracket x minus x1, where m is the slope, okay, the slope of the parallel lines. So, and from here we already have this point given. So let's look at how we insert this value in this point into this equation. So here is x1 and y1 and here is x1. So insert it. You have y minus 13 equals to m open bracket x minus 6, okay, and this gives us minus times minus, that will be plus, so you have plus 13 equals to m open bracket x minus 6. So that this line is parallel to this line is the assurance that their slope will be the same. So if we take the slope of the line that passes through these two lines, which is parallel to this line, then we can use it because this is the equations of line L. Let's find the slope of the line that line L is parallel to. So the slope is, like I stated it earlier on, m, which is equals to y2 of this line minus y1 all over x2 minus s1. And what's looking at this, what is y1, what is y2, what is s1, what is s2? So this is y1, this is x1, this is y2, this is x2. So insert this value, you have y2, which is on 9, minus y1, which is 4, all over x2, which is negative 3, minus s1, which is 7. And this will give you negative 5 all over 10. So which you can simplify further to have negative 1 all over 2. So therefore, our m is given as, or it is determined as negative half. Okay? So, having done that, we then put what m is into this equation so that we have this to be equals to negative half open bracket x minus 6, okay, which is equals to y plus 13, or which implies that y plus 13 is equals to half, negative half times x, that is negative half x. Negative half times negative 6, that will be positive 3. Okay? And if you take away 13 from this side to the other side, you have y to be equals to negative half x plus 3 minus 13. And that will give you y to be equals to negative half x minus 10. This is the equations of line L. Okay, let's look at this among the option under question number 22. Option C. Option C is the correct option. In question number 23, we are given that an empty cylindrical pan is 140 centimeter in diameter. The diameter D of the empty cylindrical pan is given as what? 140 centimeter. Okay? Yeah. And we are told that if 200 liters of water is poured into the tank, calculate correct to the nearest centimeter, the height of the water in the tank. So the volume of the water, volume V of the water. Okay, so the volume of water poured into this cylindrical tank is equal to 200 liter. Okay, 200 liter. 200 liters. Now let's demonstrate this. Let's demonstrate this by using diagram. So we have a cylindrical tank to look like this. Okay. So the diameter is this, which is given to be 140 centimeter. Okay. Right. Water is poured inside it to a height that is not filled up with the water. And we are also find the height of the water. Okay. Which can be denoted as H. Right? Now, don't forget that we have to leave our answer in the nearest centimeter. That means that we have to convert this from liter to centimeter. And every 1 liter, every 1 liter is equals to 1,000 centimeter cube. So that means that it implies that 200 liters, 200 liters will be equal to 200,000 centimeter cube. Okay. The volume, the formula for finding the volume of a cylindrical tank or a cylindrical shape is given as V equals to pi r squared multiplied by h. Okay, and if you look, we are given V, we are given r by the reason of giving us diameter, because r is equals to half the diameter. So that is half of 140, which is equals to 70 centimeter. So let's insert now. But the volume is 200,000 centimeter cube. Then pi is given to us as 22 all over 7 multiplied by r squared, which is 70 times 70, then multiplied by h, which is what we are finding, we are looking for. Okay, so yeah, you 70 can go, 7 can go here 1 and 7 here 10. So you have 700 multiplied by 22. Let's use calculator. Please use calculator. So you have 22 multiplied by 700. Okay, that gives you 15,400. So you have 15,400 h equals to 200,000. So if you divide both sides by 15,400, I mean 15,400, we have your h to be equal to 200,000 all over 15,400. That gives you 12. That's equals to 12.9, yeah, 987,019,01299. And we are told to leave our answer in the nearest centimeter. So we have, if you approximate this to the nearest centimeter, you have 13 centimeter, which is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Now let's take question number 24. In question number 24, we are given that Mr. Kepe stand at a distance of 110 away from a building of vertical height 58 meters. Let's look at a way of illustrating it. Let's assume that the building is located here on the horizontal floor, and Mr. Kepe stand here on the same horizontal floor. Okay, the distance between the building and Mr. Kepe is given to be 110 meters. Okay, and we are told that the building is 58 meters tall vertically. Okay, 58, 58 meters. So also, we are given that Mr. Kevin is 2 meters tall. Okay, so this is the height of Mr. Kevin, which is given as 2 meters. Now, the question is that we have to find the angle of elevations of the top of the building from his eye. If Mr. Kevin is, and the eye is located here, so let's draw the line of elevation. The line of elevation to the top of the building will be this. So, okay, and if you take a parallel line, a line parallel to the horizontal floor, you have this. Okay, and from this, you have angle of elevation. Let's call it theta. From this information, this diagram now, we can deduce some other things, such as this length. Let's deduce this length. If the whole length here to here is 58, and we know that here is 2 meters, so here too will be 2 meters by virtue of the rectangle shape that this is forming. Okay, and if here is 2 meters, it just means that from here to here will be what? 56 meters. Okay, so yeah, having done that, also you also need to take note that since this line is parallel to this, the length is also the same. Okay, the magnitude of length is also same, right? So therefore you can take the tangent of this angle. In other words, you have tan theta is equals to opposite, which is 56 degree, sorry, 56 meter all over adjacent, which is equals to 110 meter. Okay, that gives us 0.5. That's equals to 0.50090909. Okay, which you can approximately write as 0.5091. And from this, you can take the theta to be equal to inverse tan 0.5019. Okay, that will give you theta to be equals to 26.981. So we can then look at the option and see what is there. So the option is in nearest degree. So you have theta to be equal to 27 degree. And the correct option is option B. Let's look at question number 25, which is the last question in this video. We are asked to find the mean deviations of a set of numbers. First and foremost, we have to find the mean. Let's find the mean of this set of numbers. And the mean is S bar is given as S bar summation x all over n, which is equals to, that's equals to additions of all these points all over the numbers of points we have. So we have 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 6. So, and if you use your calculator, that gives you 99. So this is equals to 99 all over 6. That's equals to 16.5. Now the formula for finding the mean deviation is given as MD, okay, equals to summation magnitude of x minus s bar, everything all over n, okay, which is equals to, yeah, which is equals to, this is equals to taking each point and deduce it from the mean. Okay, we have the mean to be 6.5. Okay, let's take each point now and deduce this from the mean and begin to add it up like that. So we have 14 minus 16.5, okay, plus magnitude of 15 minus 16.5 plus magnitude of 16 minus 16.5 plus magnitude of 17 minus 16.5 plus magnitude of 18 minus 16.5 plus magnitude of 19 minus 16.5, everything all over 6, because we have 6 points. Okay, this is equals to 40 minus 16.5, which will give us 2.5. 50 minus 16.5, which will give us 1.5, and 60 minus 16.5, that will give us 0.5. Also 70 minus 16.5, that also will give us 0.5. 80 minus 16.5, that will give us 1.5. Then 90 minus 16.5, that will give us 2.5. Everything all over 6. Okay, this will be equal to 2.5 plus 1.5, that is 4, and 4 plus 0.5, that is what? 4.5. Okay, plus 0.5, that is 5, plus 1.5, that is 6.5, plus 2.5, that is 9. Okay, you have 9 all over 6, that gives you 1.5. So therefore you have the mean deviation to be 1.5. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you.